My name is Shaina. I am on the Google Research team. I work specifically on our outreach programs team. So we work on creating programs, collaboration opportunities, just various ways for Google Research to connect with students, faculty, and the external academic community. So today I wanted to share a little bit about some of those programs. So I gave a quick overview, but just to refresh, the research outreach team helps to connect Google researchers with the external academic community. So programs, fundings, collaboration, all with the goal of ensuring that we can maintain strong relationships with the academic community and then support research communities globally. So first, I'll talk about some student programs. So the first one, which many of you have maybe heard of, is our Student Researcher Program. So it is a great program for our for students who are entering their PhD program or at any point during your PhD program. It provides students with a lot of flexibility to work part-time and collaborate with teams at Google, which is slightly different than our research internship program, which is 3 months during the summer. The student researcher program can be part-time, year-long, and again, really gives students flexibility to work with Google in a capacity that fits their schedule and their work as well. So for this program, applications are open year-round, depending on project availability. You do need to be actively enrolled in your MS or PhD program to apply. And we do have open roles for 2024 and a lot of projects that have been recently approved. So if you're interested, I recommend scanning this QR code. It will take you to a list of all of those open roles and continue to check it as, again, we'll be updating for a lot of newly approved projects next year. I also just wanted to share some fun, interesting statistics. So this year at NeurIPS, we have 30 accepted papers and workshops that have Google student researcher contributions, which is pretty incredible. We have 23 individual student researchers who are here at NeurIPS who have contributed to published work at the conference, and over 50% of those students are the first author on their published work. So working as a student researcher at Google just gives you a really great opportunity to work on innovative research projects that Google is really prioritizing, and then allows you to move forward, attend conferences like NeurIPS, and really get some great work done through the program. Okay, next up is our PhD fellowship program. So another student program aimed at supporting PhD candidates who are working on innovative and promising research areas. So this program provides funding and support to recipients, and you also must be full-time enrolled in your program for the duration of this fellowship. I'm gonna just kind of breeze through some of the other ones. Oh, I breezed too fast. And then the last student program I wanted to touch on is the CS Research Mentorship Program, or CSRMP, which matches students from historically marginalized groups with a Google mentor and peers in their aligned research area. So the program provides students with mentorship, networking, and just overall helps to foster discussions within the field. And again, you'll need to be actively enrolled in your program. Okay, on to some faculty programs. The first I wanted to share a little bit about is AIR, the Award for Inclusion Research, which is a program that supports professors working on research that addresses the needs of historically marginalized groups around the world. So this program provides funding and resources to help ensure that faculty can create positive societal impact. And this program is open to professors, faculty, and applications will open in the fall. So our most recent cycle is currently closed, but fall of 2024 applications will open again. And then the last program I wanted to touch on for faculty is the Explore CSR program, or ECSR, which focuses on providing funding and support to institutions who then use that funding to create and host research-focused workshops for students and encourage students, expose students to the field of computing research. So for 2024, we're doing a fall cycle for this program. Applications will be open in the summer. And that's it. You can learn more about all of these programs at research.google.com/outreach. And if you'd like to stay in touch with us, scan this QR code and share your information. And this will kind of give us an opportunity to share open roles with you, collaboration opportunities, and things of that nature. I think that's it.
Hi all, I hope you can hear me fine. My name is Nishant and I work with the recruiting team of D. Shaw Research. This is a separate entity from D. Shaw and Company, which is more on the finance side of things. Ours is a computational drug discovery and biochemistry firm. So we're in the process of finding drugs for treating certain diseases. We develop and apply our own advanced computational techniques for finding significantly important small molecules, which are biologically relevant as well, at a very atomic level. So we use a lot of cutting edge, high-end computational techniques by using our own in-house supercomputer. It's called Anton, which runs molecular dynamic simulations. It's essentially like a computer program which studies what happens in a human body at a protein level and understand what are those diseases and how are these caused and how can these be cured. We're based out of New York and we have positions open for both full-time roles and internship roles. You can visit the website, which is dshawresearch.com. And I'm sitting at the booth right over there at the end. And you can come by and also scan the brochures which are at my desk to figure out what the company does in a little more detail and also apply for any of the open positions. And if you do have any questions, feel free to come by and I'll be happy to help you with more information. And that's it from my side. And thank you so much, Brian. And thank you for organizing this. And it's been a pleasure supporting this. And I think that we've been sponsoring this workshop for the second time in a year. And we wish to continue doing this over the next few years. Thank you all so much. Awesome. I know you're all hungry and I think you should probably head out for lunch. Thank you again.
Thank you very much, Nishant.
Hi, everyone. I know everyone's really hungry, so I'll keep this really brief. My name is Isa. I'm a recruiter here at 2 Sigma, specifically on the quant research side. So 2 Sigma, we consider ourselves like a financial science company. So we approach challenges using the scientific approach. Our largest business is investment management. So we just take on a fully quantitative approach to investing. So that just gives you a better sense of what we actually do. Great. So, because the focus of our work is finding predictive signals, it is important for us that our researchers keep up with the latest academic research and also leverage new techniques like neural network architectures, which is why we typically like to go to NeurIPS. So something we also want to share is at 2 Sigma, we do seek to promote the inclusion of backgrounds that remain underrepresented in technology. So we are excited to be connected with LatinX and AI at the second time. So last year, we appreciated everyone's warm welcome. So just this year, we actually have Tharsis Souza, who is a leader in investment management, investment product management, and he's actually a mentor. And then also we were able to connect one of our summer interns, Andres Carranza, with the LatinX and AI community, which supported his attendance. So I want to thank you for that. And then lastly, if you have any questions and want to learn more about data science, quant research, or software engineering at 2 Sigma, I will be at the 2 Sigma booth at number 1128. Also, there's swag at the back, so just grab the swag. And yeah, have fun at lunch.